from class to be ASP. Today, I would like to present my poster entitled The Role of Central Banks in Economic Development and Financial Stability. A central bank is an institution that manages a country's monetary system and helps maintain economic stability. Examples of central banks include Bank Indonesia, the Federal Reserve in the United States, and the European Central Banks in Europe. The first section of my poster explains why central banks are important. Central banks help control inflation and maintain the value of money. For example, when prices of goods increase too quickly, the central bank can raise interest rates to reduce inflation. Central banks also support financial stability by ensuring that banks operate safely and responsibly. The second section discusses the key functions of central banks. The first function is issuing currency. For example, Bank Indonesia is responsible for issuing and regulating the Indonesian rupiah. The second function is implementing monetary policy. For example, when inflation is high, the central banks may increase interest rates to reduce spending and stabilize prices. The third function is acting as a lender of last resort. For example, during a financial crisis, a central bank can provide emergency funds to banks that experience liquidity problems. Another function is supervising financial institutions. This helps ensure that banks follow regulations and protect customer funds. The next section explains the policy tools used by central banks. One important tool is interest rate policy. Changes in the rates affect borrowing and spending decisions. Another tool is open market operations, where the central banks buys or sells government securities to influence the amount of money circulating in the economy. Reserve requirements are also used to determine how much money commercial banks must keep as reserve. My poster also highlights the benefits of effective central banking. First, it helps achieve price stability. This means that the prices of goods and services remain relatively stable. Second, it supports economic growth. Businesses are more willing to invest when the economy is stable. Thirdly, it strengthens the banking system and reduces the risk of financial crisis. For example, a stable banking system encourages people to save money and business to invest confidently. However, central banks also face several challenges. One challenge is global economic uncertainty. 6th is economic recession or international conflicts. Another challenge is the development of digital currencies and financial technology, which require new regulations and policies. Cybersecurity threats and climate-related financial risks are also becoming increasingly important. In conclusion, some central banks play a crucial role in promoting economic development and maintaining financial stability. Through effective monetary policies, financial supervision, and economic support, central banks help create a stable environment for long-term growth and prosperity. The information presented in this poster based on the works of Fine 2006 and Miskin 2007. Thank you for attention.